Hi boys and girls, so today our learning goal is I can use captions to learn about baby animals and their parents. We also are going to learn about how to identify the main topic of a text. So what is a caption? A caption is a short explanation under or near a picture that gives information about the picture. So here's a picture. Can you tell what's going on here? Not really, right? However, if we see a caption, words underneath or near the picture, we can learn what's happening in our picture. So in this caption it says, many bird fathers also help take care of their chicks. This father is bringing up food from his stomach into a chick's mouth. Some baby birds are fed this way. So this caption told me that birds are fed with the father bringing food up from his stomach and spitting it into their mouth. That's interesting. I wouldn't have known that without reading my caption. So let's try and find some captions on this page. So we've got our words. We've got this text says, baby reptiles hatch. Alligators and crocodiles are reptiles that live most of their adult lives in water. When it is time for the reptile mothers to lay eggs, they leave their water habitats to lay their eggs on land. An alligator or crocodile mother builds a nest of grass and mud and lays her eggs inside. She covers the nest with plants and guards it until the eggs hatch. But look at all these cool pictures. I want to learn more. If I read my captions, I can learn more. Can you find some captions on this page? Pause and point to them. Did you find this one here? This one says each baby breaks its egg by using an egg tooth. See, the arrow is pointing, it's showing you here's the egg tooth. So I just learned how the baby alligators get out. This one here says, the mother carries their babies back to the water and to look after them for up to 2 years. The alligator mother is carrying the babies on her back. Do you see those little babies? They look very similar to their mother, don't they? They're very tiny. I wouldn't know that alligators only take care of their babies for 2 years unless I read my caption. Great job. Let's see about this page. This one says, mammal babies. Mammals are animals with hair or fur. Mammal babies do not hatch from eggs. They are born live. After their babies are born, mammal mothers feed them milk from their bodies. Drinking a mother's milk is called nursing. The opossum below nurses many babies. Most mammal mothers look after their young. They keep their babies safe and teach them how to hunt for food. Can you find the caption about the baby panther on this page? You'll have to use your pictures and then find the words underneath. Pause it and find it. Did you find it right there? You're doing a great job with captions. So this is a caption, and the caption says, the Florida panther is a type of cougar. It lives in the swamps of southern Florida. There are not many of these animals left. Panther cubs have spots and blue eyes. So I just learned that this is a baby panther cub and this is its mom. They look very different because this one has these dark spots. My caption, though, told me that this is normal for panther cubs. Excuse me. So what is the main topic? A main topic is what the text is mostly about. So is this text mostly about baby alligators? Was it mostly about animals? Or was it mostly about wetland baby animals? Think about that for a minute. Go ahead and pause and point to your answer. Did you pick wetland baby animals? If you did, you'd be correct. We didn't read all about baby alligators. They were in there, but that's not what the whole text was about. We didn't read about just animals. We read specifically about different kinds of wetland baby animals. The baby cougar cub, we saw the baby alligators, there were possums, the birds. There were lots of different things in that text, and they were all about wetland baby animals. So I didn't need to list everything. I just need to say that the text was mostly about wetland baby animals, and that would be the main topic. So our learning goal was I can use captions to learn about baby animals and their parents, which we did by finding the words under the pictures and learning more about our pictures by reading those words. And I can identify the main topic of a text, which is what the text is mostly about. Not just one little detail, but what the whole text was mostly about. You guys did a great job. So you're going to bubble in your smiley face on your activity list, and you're going to keep moving. You're going to do some practice activities with main topic and captions.